dude. At 1.5. At the kilometer 1.5?
Yeah, 1.5.
Really? Jeez. Stuck. Awesome.
I saw your videos last night.
Cool.
You got video now?
Yeah, I'll post it.
This one didn't make it. I usually let them go, but this one we're gonna eat, I guess. So I'll eat it.
It's awesome. Nice day.
Have a good day.
Well, thank you, you too. What is it? It's a Century?
Yeah, Century. This was the prototype blank. You gave it to me. And this is the weapon. It's a 3-piece 9.6.
Oh, never heard of it.
Century rod. Build big surf casting rods.
Oh,
like
really?
That one.
Both of them?
No, that's a CTS blank, I believe. My buddy Frank built that one.
Yeah, the die was. What's this thing called?
CTS?
This one.
Oh, Sebile.
Sebile. Oh. You got the.
Invented by a guy back east named Patrick Sebile. Bought out by Penn.
Oh, really?
And he waited a little while, I think, and then started making a different style. The green strips glow, and
oh, glow in the dark, huh?
this glows, yeah.
Oh, that's key.
Yeah. And they have the sinking ones that sink, like you can throw them in the rocks. A little expensive. Small ones to giant ones. And I caught a marlin on one 2 weeks ago.
Oh, sweet, really?
On a big one.
Casting?
No, trolling with it.
No.
It's too big to cast. It's like that big. Giant. Yeah. A lot of fun. Too bad this one died, but
Yeah.
a lot of hungry people here in Mexico.
And they'll eat it?
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of dark meat, though, isn't
No,
it?
it's okay. It's more like pink.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
the toro, they eat toro here. Just
Yeah,
sashimi
yeah.
style.
Yeah.
You make sashimi with it. This you can do on the grill. It's all how you cook it, you know. You know. I've seen your videos. I like the way you fillet the fish and then leave the skin on and then
Oh, yeah.
I got a
Thanks.
good tip for you. Leave it right
thanks.
there. You don't cut it off.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Thanks.
I like videotaping the guys catching them.
Oh.
My favorite thing is having people catch fish, and I don't necessarily have to. I like taking people fishing. It's more fun. Teaching them how to fish. I have over 35 rods up there that I just got in the mail from England.
Oh, really?
That a guy sent to me from a tackle shop to give away to all the kids.
Oh, nice.
We're going to have a little kid tournament in Tewa in August. And at the end of the tournament, we're going to give the rods to them. All the little kids to it. The little fishermen.
All right, have a good one.